Hey friends, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I am obsessed with DTF direct-to-fabric printers. I have a huge family, and everybody needs a personalized t-shirt or personalized baseball hat, and Uncle Mark is here for it. Today, I'm reviewing and using the new Omtech Aurora 14-inch DTF printer with dual 1600 print heads. This printer is the ultimate in DTF printers. If you're looking to start a t-shirt business or a small business making customized products, this is definitely something you should look into. Are you ready to jump in? I am so excited to show you this printer. I can't believe I have one. Okay, here it is, my new Omtech Aurora DTF printer. This professional printer is incredible, and depending on your needs, you can use it two different ways. With or without the base, which automatically spreads the DTF powder and cures it onto the film, or without the oven, just as the printer where you can spread the DTF powder yourself and cure it in your own curing oven. That said, because of the sheer size of the prints that you can make on this printer, using the DTF powder spreader and oven base is super convenient. If you're starting a business or making personalized iron-on transfers, you can just keep printing as many as you need without stopping. Assembly of this printer is pretty easy. You connect the printer to the base and thread the film through the oven down to the roller at the base. Software is just as easy. Just download it onto your PC, import your images, and you're ready to print. Here I am pouring the DTF powder into the base, and now I'm pulling the film through the base and attaching it to the roller at the bottom. This roller collects all the finished, ready to iron on transfers. Like all printers, I'm filling the ink containers one by one. If you live in a high altitude, I recommend poking a small hole in the protective foil before opening the ink so that it doesn't squirt out. Now that everything is all set up, let's turn it on. Because the printer and the oven operate separately, you do have to turn on the oven base when you're printing. If you're only using the printer and curing the transfers yourself, you don't have to turn on the oven. The first thing I noticed that I love about this printer is that you only need to press a button to draw the ink, and you do it on the printer's touch screen instead of on your computer. It has dual 1600 heads for faster, high-quality output, and the colors are beautiful, professional-grade colors. I would recommend this printer for someone who is familiar with DTF printers and wants to upgrade from the current printers on the market. I have an InkSonic and a Pro-Colored printer, and this printer is faster. And you can print transfers to fit t-shirts up to 5XL, just under 15 inches wide, which is much bigger than traditional A3 printers. It also has auto cleaning, ink alerts, and the operation is quite easy. This printer just cleans itself overnight. Here you can see that the printed transfer is feeding into the base where it gets coated with the DTF powder. Then it's fed through the oven to cure, and finally it wraps around a roller at the base. Now your transfers are ready to take off the roller and transfer immediately. I'm only making a couple of samples for this video, so I've taken the printer off of the base and I'm just printing these out, and I will coat them in DTF powder myself and cure them myself so that I can put them on a few separate garments and show you how beautiful these DTF prints look. Because my favorite thing to do is upstyle thrift store clothing, I only print 1 or maybe 2 transfers at a time. So personally, I find it easier to use the printer without the oven base. I don't make XXL t-shirts, but I do like extra large transfers. Here I am manually applying the DTF powder and curing them in my own curing oven. Let's see what these extra large transfers look like on some interesting clothing pieces. The first piece I've upstyled is this blue blazer, which has been sitting in my closet for 2 years. I love this big palm reading hand on the center back. It's gonna look great this summer with a t-shirt. As much as I love printing t-shirts, I think printing on a vintage button-down is even more fun. Look at this enormous hand on this striped button-down. I think it looks so great. Just to show you how big these prints can be, I've taken this XL t-shirt and printed an enormous, beautiful print right on the front. There you go, my new Omtech Aurora DTF printer. I'm so happy that I upgraded to this printer. I'm going to leave a link to Omtech and everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want inspiration that I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.